first lesson to my mind is CRISP had to be elaborated in the full form.
You should develop a vision for yourself that what would you like to do. Ethos of conceptual, whether it's of weddings and ideals, will continue, that we build up new concepts. We delete something which is not required.
I'm sure you have one of the best coaches.
It was a very incredible experience. I would recommend all the budding radiologists to attend the CRISP classes.
It was fun, it was useful. I hope this thing continues and continues for my juniors also.
I request everyone to join and attend this session once in a lifetime.
I would suggest everybody to at least attend this once in their lifetime, and it's an experience in its own kind, and I'm really thankful to everybody.